Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this find the dots filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image, this is the filter. Okay, so this is a new filter, so you can go to search and find also, but sometimes it's difficult to find a new filter. So what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for find the dot filter. Okay, as you can see, my video is also here. You can tap on my video, the second one. Okay, what is this? Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow. You can tap there. Okay, you will be directed to this effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. Okay, let's try this. Okay, no, try again. Maybe here, no, try again. Maybe here, no, here, no. Okay, okay, so not in middle. Maybe here, no, here, no. Okay, finally. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.